Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, February 15, 2022. So today the US market are getting a lift this morning from the headlines out of Russia, where the country defense ministry announced that they will pull back some of the force after they completed military drill near the border with Ukraine. So this news, the fundamental, they have the market stabilize. As you can see that on Sunday video, I told you the market they put up right into the support. So this level, if they hold up here, we're looking for a rebound. So if you look at the overall market, let's say the index for the immediate SP 500. So the market, they failed to make it the high here, so they pull back down, so they found a support, now they pull back up. So technically we are still not out of wood yet. Okay, in the short term, as you can see that the market will be ranbound into this area here from 43.50 to 45.50. So until they be able to break out, to the upside in order for the bull to continue to take over. Other than that, if they break below the sell zone here, it means that the market is still have potential to going down. So right now, at this moment, we still trading in the choppy ranbound mode here. So one day that Russia invasion, the next day they are not going to invade. So that news is still hang over there until they be able to clear it up, and the market be able to find direction and give it more clue in the next couple of days. So this week at Friday will be another option expire day. So you see the market will go up and down a little bit crazy again. So let's see where it goes. So on the top we have some resistance here. In the bottom we have some support here. So day by day, look at the one candle at a time, we'll be able to tell where the market will head on. Okay, so stay tuned. We are still in the choppy ranbound with high volatility. So let's see the market be able to find the direction in the next couple of days, and then we'll give it more clue where they want to go. The good news is the Russell 2000 this morning, you see a lot of small cap top, they were able to put it back up. They failed to break through the resistance here, so now they try another attempt here. If they can clear that resistance here, they'll be able to get up to the upper bound here. But if they fail to hold on to the upper support trend line, then they still have potential to come back down again. Look at the Dow. The Dow, it also hold up at the support area here on Sunday, and now they try to put it back up. Let's see tomorrow they can carry the momentum to the upside. Okay, if that's the case, then the bull will try to get better every day. The Nasdaq, which is a strong technology that relates to the SP 500, so they also found a support at the buy zone here. So now let's see the next couple of days we'll be able to put it back up and retest the Dow trend line here. And if they can break out, they give it more clue that they have a potential to test the upper level. Okay. Now look at the crude oil. The crude oil it still hold on to the upside, even though they are kind of extended already. So as long as they still stay about this line, okay, you still okay. But if they break below this line, it means that people will take the profit for this cycle up here. So watch out for your stop loss, and then trail your stop loss to the upside until they give up. Gold it also fell up after the news that Russia they move now up the border, and that one it dropped down. Okay, so they are still stuck in the sell zone here. So unless they be able to break out of the sell zone, then that will be a different story. That's where the real invasion will happen. Other than that, they will pull back down first, and let's see. Depend on the political news, okay, where they going to. So then, and gold will be another shelter asset if the war really broke out. Okay, so we'll see. If you look at the Bitcoin it also hit the resistance pullback. Now we also watch out for 45,604 here. If we can clear this area here, the Bitcoin will become bullish. Okay. Other than that, we still choppy sideways here. The Ethereum is also similar. They need to clear 3276 here for the bull to continue to the upside there. If you look at the volatility index, as you can see that after they run into the formation that I told you on Sunday, they put it back up here. They hit the resistance, they pull back down. So depend. Okay, they can come down further, or they can come back retest, and then they will come down later. So they put up resistance, they pull back, have a support here. So let's see how the market is going to react here. All right. If you look at the 10-year Treasury note, it still hang on to the upside. However, this one here, it should very close to the sell zone area here. So if they can control here and then they fall up, and definitely they will cool down on the interest rate. Okay, we'll see. Right now they still bullish, so the trend is still up. So they still have some little more room here, but they are high up, very extended already. If you look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500, okay, today you see some of the basic material. They also try to turn around here, okay, but they do a very choppy sideways here. But today they try to put it back up. Let's see if they can come back and retest this area here again. The communication sector is still weak, even though they hold on to this level, but they are really still choppy in the downside there. The energy sector is the strongest one, but when you see here, when they go too far, so they pull back down. So as long as it's still up above this trend line, the energy is still hang tight to the upside there. Financial, they hit to the sell zone, they fail to punch through it, so they pull back, build some momentum before they can turn around and break through it. The industrial, it also tried to hold on to a strong level of support here, okay, but it's very choppy sideways. The technology is pretty strong with a semiconductor. They are doing pretty well, okay, and all merger acquisition in the semiconductor, they can put it up, okay, and help the technology to put it up to the upside, okay, and the consumer stable. People after they hit the home run, so people took some profit. It still ran by choppy, okay, until they were able to clear this, the outtrend line in order to go higher. Otherwise, they are still choppy sideways in the correction mode right now. The real estate, they get hit hard because the interest rate put it up, so they are still in the trouble. They try to find a support here. If they fail to support here, then they can go down further. Okay, so right now they still hang tight to this area, so just watch out. The XLV with the healthcare sector also try to hold on to this level of support, so we need to see more follow through here so that they can put it up. Otherwise, it's still sideways too. The consumer discretionary is still hold on to the buy zone. Now they put it up today, so they need to clear this resistance here in order to continue for the upside. So you can see that a lot of sector in the S&P 500, okay, some of them try to find the support at the buy zone. So as long as they can do that, they don't drop below here, they still have a chance to put it up to the upside. But again, we are not out of the wood yet, because this is a lot of them are losing a lot of momentum. On the way up here, they will hit a lot of resistance before they become a bullish again. So we have to go step by step, okay, day by day, and then we see where they go. But even though a lot of stock they are in trouble, but I see today a lot of Broadway going up for a lot of small cap stock. So and then if you look at the a lot of stock that we talking about weeks ago. Okay, you see that a lot of stuff that we say that will outperform the S&P 500, they are still doing well. Okay, like Tesla, right? And you can see there, you can see RL, right? Still hold on to the upside there. You see EXPE, right? Those talk here, it still continue to rumble to the upside. Marriott Hotel, so the travel, the hotel, hospitality, and then even a lot of airline, they are also trying to find a way back up also with the cool down of the Omicron and COVID-19. And you can see that a lot of airline cruise ship, they start turning around. Okay, so just watch out for that. And in terms of, so that's one of the sectors you should look at. And for the material sector, I see some of the steel and copper and those things are still try to find a way up. Okay, like FCX, MAT, right? And steel, you know, so those stocks they try to find a way to go higher if the thing get back to the normal. Okay, all right. So I think that's all I have for you today. So beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry and the target so that you can follow. So so with the market condition right now, seems like we're still stuck in the range bound for a little bit until they give it the clear direction. So we have to trade careful, okay, and yet for the short term, you can trade short-term trade like swing, short-term swing trade, and then let's see how the market lay out and give you the clear direction in the future. Then we can stick in the trade longer. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. And again, I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.